Hi, I'm Nancy Schick, attorney, mediator, and conflict resolution coach in New York City. My goal is to keep you out of court and build your conflict resolution skills. So today, what I want to talk about is hostile work environments, right? A pretty common conflict. I think we can see a lot of what's going on in the world and how that may very easily end up in your workplace for those of you that are going back to work for the first time since the pandemic shutdown. Look, a lot of people have been dealing with the frustration and confusion, financial strain, and literal fear for their lives or their lives of their loved ones. And it's normal that we're going to have some reaction to that. So you want to proceed with caution. And so I'm going to give you 3 tips that are based on neuroscience, right? It's looking at things like Maslow's hierarchy of needs that say when your survival needs are threatened, you're not always thinking way up at the top at like, how do I be the best part of myself, right? Or what happens in the brain is the amygdala back here gets triggered, right? And so you want to proceed with caution when you're moving into discussing conflict with other people, and that's including online. So my 3 tips for you are, first, of course, you want to make the 7 choices, right? And that's intended to get you grounded in what's going on with you before you engage with someone else. That's being aware of your own biases, and that may be implicit biases about where the coronavirus started and who's bringing it in, who is wearing a mask, not wearing a mask, who you think might be infected, who is more dangerous than someone else, who's taking you into consideration. You want to get connected to all of that. Second, you want to really pay attention to choice number 7, which is to listen with your third ear. That's your heart. Listen compassionately for things that you can heal. And in particular, it's important to do that now, because you can imagine how shifting to how can I resolve these issues? How can I heal someone's hurt instead of looking for how to judge them and make them wrong so that you feel better about what you're doing, right? We're all confused and we're all dealing with things, and it's completely human. So number 3, you want to define the conflict really succinctly when you're ready to engage with another person. And if you're not at a point where you can do that in a framework that's something like, I disagree with Jackie about X, right? And being able to just say it in a very succinct sentence, then you're probably not ready yet to engage that other person. So just stop and go back to those choices again and look at where you're still a little struggling internally. If you need additional help with this, you can buy the book. I'll put the link to that in the notes to the video. I have a course online about DIY conflict resolution. And of course, if you need more one-on-one help, you can reach out for a consultation. In the meantime, stay healthy and mentally strong.